All right, guys, we got a vacuum cleaner by Klarpul here, and I'm going to give you 3 reasons right off the bat why you need to pick this one up. 70-minute runtime. I don't know about you, but 70 minutes is a long time. That is plenty for me to go ahead and do the whole first floor and much, much more. It has an LED readout on it. I love that. You're able to actually see. We're not dealing with the old little light, so a little dot means 25% left or anything. This is giving you the LED readout here, so you are staying on top of knowing what and how much time you have left to clean. And last but not least, it self-stands. You might not think that's a big deal, but when something self-stands, you don't have to hang it up on the wall. That matters because you're saving some space and it makes it easier. Because if you've messed with one of these cordless vacuums before, you know standing them up is almost impossible. So let's go ahead and open it up here and see how it all works. So you got powerful suction, longer working time. I mean, all of it in that. And check out that self-standing. We're going to prove that here. Make sure that this thing is legitimate when it comes to the self-standing. I promise you, we're going to get into that here in just a minute. So we got the vacuum cleaner itself. Here's your guide telling you all about it. Gives you some details on the back from the icon perspective. We got all the cleaning tools right here up top. So let's go ahead and get this. We got one of the shafts. Okay. Let's go ahead and see here. And that is an extender. Check that out. I don't know, many of them don't come this way. You have multiple shafts for it, which makes it difficult because you're always dealing with different versions and you have to have a place to store them. We got a little cleaning tool, okay? Slide that in and out. Easy connector. So if you're familiar with this, easy proper connector there, not having to worry about it. Okay, next piece. Oh yeah, this is my favorite. Got to be able to clean out the couches without any problems. That is it. That is one. You get that. You can use it in the car. It's got plenty of runtime. We have our charging cable. Boom, right here. Able to charge up, no problems. All right. And then last but not least in here, which is going to be the head of all heads, which is going to be the floor. Go ahead and open that guy up. Check out that. That's pretty cool. I do believe you can get into it from the side. So if we pop this open, we're able to clean it just like you should be able to with every unit. If you don't have one you can clean, that is a red flag in my opinion, but this thing is cleanable. Let's go ahead and set this over here. Oh, we're running out of space, guys. All right, next is going to be the actual space here. Here we go. This is it. Just like that. You got your LED screen on the front. Let's go ahead and pop that off because you know that is so satisfying. Okay, you have a section you can pop off the basket just like that. Look how easy that was. Okay. Oh, look at that. That has a little piece there. That's cool. Man, nice and easy. Click it back on, no issues. Go ahead and set that down over here. Let's see what other goodies we got in the box. So you can store this one up. So you're able to store this one and hang it up as well. You got all your storing materials and filter everything right here. And then last but not least is going to be the battery. Just like that. Let's get into here. Because we do need to install the battery without any issues. It comes nicely packaged. It's a pretty hefty battery. This is going to add some weight to it. But at the end of the day, we need 70 minutes of runtime. Let's go ahead and crack it open here and see what we are working with. There you have it. All right, so there's our battery right here. Let's go ahead and see if we can do this. We have on the back, should be able to click this on. Oof, just like that. There you have it. Okay, you set it down. It's got little non-stickies on there. Let's go ahead and add on our first piece. Whew, look how easy that is. That is simple to put together. Now, what we're going to get to on the video is can this stand up on its own? Let's go ahead and crack on our foot. Okay. Yeah, that's easy. Super simple right there with that. And now you guys want to see all the goods. Can this stand up on its own? So I don't know if you'll be able to see behind me. Look at that. That is sweet. Let me move this out of the way so you can see. That is standing up. There is nothing behind it. I got no feet here. This is standing up on its own. Let's see if we can do it on my stool right here. This is going to be a test. I don't know. It's on the stool. And there you have it. Look at that. That thing will stand up on its own. That thing is as solid as it comes. All right, next thing. Let's go ahead and pop this off here. I love this multi length aspect. That makes it easy to be able to kind of work the couch. Let's go ahead and turn it on here. So boom. Oh, she comes on immediately. Okay, you got a power button. Oh, it's touchscreen. So you have 3 different modes, like a turbo, low, middle, 3 different modes right there. Okay. That is super sweet. Check out, moving down there, no problems whatsoever. All right. That is easy touch. I'm not gonna lie, very easy touch. It's not overly heavy. I think it does have a good weight to it at the top. Like I said, I really like that it has the shorter. My wife is shorter, so being able, like, she'll be able to use this. Even the kids could use it because it would be something that they could actually have something. It's more comfortable to them, aerodynamic or fluid. Right at the end of the day, so we can change out these easily, making them work just as well. And then you do have the charge cord right here. Let's go ahead and see from a charge perspective. Right here on the side of it, it's going to be on the right side of it. And then, like I said, last but not least, you do have your filter, your cleaner, and then also the stand that you can mount on the wall, making it nice and easy. Guys, Klarpul has a pretty awesome product here. I'm excited. We're going to run this through its paces. We're going to actually throw it on some carpet, hopefully get some action shots for you guys. But that is 3 reasons. 70 minutes of absolute runtime you got out of this bad boy. A huge battery with it, 3 different speeds, and self-stand. Look how easy that was. That was sweet. Definitely check it out.